Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nake ni watangaza kana niwe kwithiwa yendea kuungamia na kana kuungamia ngaliko ya Ulei hainena ni wavikia kwithiwa ingia yelesya kana kuma ivindani yilangwa chama cha ODM chalikanile na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ni kwithitwe na ulelu ngalikoni ya Ulei valo kuelesya kana ni kwithiwa yoselela mwana uneeni ula wakwatwa mbau niwe Mutongoi wa chama cha DAP-Kenya Eugene Wamalwa livyochumanitu niwe mwandikitwa mavobe ni musao.
We are going to be launching the Raila Odinga for AUC chairmanship.
Itina wa Ndongoi ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kwambiisya savali ya kuukitia kivila cha mwenekivila wa ngwatanio sya nthi ya Afrika AU kwi umuthi.
Anguka nayo. Okay, tutaanguka nayo.
Yuyu Ndongoi ya chama cha DAP-Kenya Eugene Wamalwa weta vajitha na yanya ya utongoi nthini wa ngwatanio ya Ulei ni kwitha Kalonzo Musyoka niwe ukwitha choselela.
In Azimio, there will be no vacuum. We are several parties, constituent parties of Azimio, and we've been very blessed to have very serious leadership in our coalition. Right Honorable Raila Odinga was the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya. And we believe he should have been the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya if Chebukati didn't do what he did. As he leaves, the next ranking member of the leadership of our coalition is the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, who was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. So as we stand before the nation, it's a case of the first amongst equals. And we have by consensus, and I believe many of us who are in this coalition have all consented to him taking over the leadership of our coalition.
The Azimio coalition remains steadfast with a firm commitment and shared objectives of addressing the issues of concern to our people. We continue to advance the people's agenda for the socio-economic and political transformation and always build on the foundations laid by our leader.
Kalonzo Musyoka na ulota na vika cha dhini kita kumutangasa Raila Odinga tamukite wa kivila ki na kila chatwa iwa vomani ya musumbi musini wa ilobi weta kwe makovika kwake ni wona ni waka na ni wa Mutongoi wa Ulei kuma yuyu kuende ya.
Because we want to show there is an official position in this country. Maybe we would not have had sufficient time like we have had today if I just went to State House. And remember, some of us have issues. Remember when I said it was very difficult for me to get to KICC that time when the IBC Amendment Act was being signed, all right? Whatever, okay? And I said, if it was State House, it would have been very difficult. We are with the majority of our people who expect that this administration will be kept on his feet. In fact, they will see opposition that they have never seen before. I can tell you that. And so it will be a team, a case of first among equals. And as you can see, this team is growing. It may be thin on the floor of the House. And remember, we talked about state capture, even of Parliament. We are aware of that. But even if 30, 20, 10 members of Parliament remain faithful to this document with regard to holding the government accountable, believe you me, they'll be representing the great majority of the Kenyan people.
Kwisila uneeni wo kwe nyumbasya mauvo, Azimio ni yawe tata kukwata mbau Raila Odinga kuukitia mwanya uyu, maimo kadhi hata Mutongoi wa kwe yumia, na mena wiki hivyo nake wa kutongoesya AU na kuweta muo umwe ovamana maendeleo.
Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party wishes our esteemed leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, the best of luck as he prepares to actively engage in the campaign for the African Union Commission AUC chairmanship. We make this announcement in recognition of Raila Odinga's vast experience in political leadership, dedication to Pan-African ideals, proven track record in conflict resolution, international recognition, and diplomatic acumen, coupled with his unwavering commitment to the development and unity of our continent. As a coalition, we believe that the Right Honorable Odinga's leadership and vision will greatly contribute to the future of the African Union and the broader goals of peace, stability, and prosperity across Africa. Indeed, we are donating to Africa and the world our best and most renowned leader.
As it goes to Addis Ababa, kwa baba, we want to wish him well. As we remain behind, we will do that which he would have done if he was still actively participating in politics in Kenya.
What is the question?
Vilingi wa Mavo Mutongoi TV, Nyeneta wa Ben Mosao.